Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up automations in ClickUp in 2025. So step 1, open your ClickUp workspace and go to the space or list where you want to add an automation. Step 2, click on the Automate tab from the top menu and then select Create Automation. Step 3, choose from ClickUp's built-in automation templates or click Custom Automation to build your own. Step 4. Set a trigger, for example, when status changes to in progress. Step 5. Choose an action such as assign to user, add tag, or move to list. Step 6. Add conditions if needed, like applying only to specific assignees or tags. Step 7. Click Create and then test your automation by making the trigger happen inside a task. Step 8. Monitor the activity log to confirm that automation is running correctly and if edits are needed. Now, your ClickUp workflows will run automatically and save you a lot of time. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.